Hello you beautiful people, I hope you're all doing well. So I've got another video for you today and I've already started. So I've already removed the old design on this client and I am coming in with this is Lilac Luster and I have no idea what that glitter is. I'll try and work it out. Yeah, when I remember which glitter I've used. Sorry, I will leave it in the description box for you. So just coming in with the famous Apple Shine. And as you can see here, really struggling with this bead. It was too wet. And yeah. Excuse me if I start slowing my words. I'm so freaking tired today. Like, ugh. So this netting I got from, I think this was from like a pack of 3 different colours from Glitter Planet UK. I have got a discount code for you. I'll leave it in the description box for 10% off if you want to have a look. So yeah, I'm not imprinting with this. I'm actually encapsulating this netting. So I just pressed it into that wet acrylic and just held it down with my fingers until it stuck and wasn't sticking up. And then I'm just trimming off the excess. I need to get close to this screen so I can see what I used. What is that? I think that's one of Glitter Planet's glitters. It's like Bluebell or something. I will check the pot and I'll find out the name. Yeah, it's definitely one of Glitter Planet's glitters. And then they are the Rainbow Gold Shine shards from the Glitter Fairy. Just popped a couple of them on top. So I'm just going to do a marble on this nail. So I've just placed a bead of coconut milk just to get that cuticle nice and neat. And then I'm just placing another bead of coconut milk, then a bead of Apple Shine, and then a bead of Lilac Luster. And I've just swirled them together a little bit. See, sometimes I can do this marbling and sometimes I can't, so the marble once I'd finished was very, very subtle. Like, you can't see it very well in the picture. It looks much better in person, but then I am shy at taking pictures as well, so there you go. So I'll just keep adding the colours and swirling together until I've got the coverage that I want. I do come in afterwards on this set and go underneath the nail to take out the rest of that orange that's left on there from my last set. And just adding a bead of clear just to smooth it all over and make sure I've got enough there on the apex as well. You can do an ombre with Apple Shine and Lilac Luster. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm rushing, it's just that I've been on a diet for about 3-4 weeks now and tonight is my treat night, so I'm waiting for my kebab and I'm super excited. So I'm not rushing, I'm just starving. So just blend in Lilac Luster over the top of that apple shine, and then coming back in with that Glitter Fairy glitter, and then a couple of those gold shards from Gold Shine or Rainbow Shine. I can never remember that name of that glitter, and I don't know why. Like, oh my god. I will go and check my pots when I've finished, and I will make sure that I leave it in the description box in case anybody was wondering. So this is Lilac Luster. I'm just doing a thin layer of that. And then coming in with a bead of that. I'm just going to call it Bluebell because I'm pretty sure. I'm not even pretty sure about anything right now, I'm just that hungry, but sorry. Yeah. Just wet beads dipped into that raw glitter and then straight on the nail, and then in with those. Do you know what? I completely lied. That is Glitter Planet Aurora Flakes. That's exactly what it is. I could see it better on there. So yeah, it's the Bluebell and the Aurora Flakes. They look really amazing, chromed on no white top coat as well. They look stunning. So I'm just going to cap these pretties. Don't you just love it when that happens, when it won't freaking come off? I'm just trying to keep that as neat as I can with the brush. And have any of you guys tried the new aqua brush from Glitter Planet yet? I won one last week. She had a little Instagram competition, and oh my god, it's my new favourite. I've been using it all day today, and I absolutely love it. Yep, definitely Aurora Flakes. Look how beautiful that looks. The top coat moment on that nail is quite spectacular, I must say. It is just, yeah. So I'm just going to pat and press and pat and press, pat and press. And just need to add a little bit right on the end there. Same filing. So side walls, free edge, cuticle area, and then up and over the nail. All nice and filed now. So, tack free top gloss, as always. I always use this top coat. I absolutely love it. Never have any trouble with it whatsoever. Yeah, as you can see with that marble, it's very, very delicate. I think maybe I played about with it too much. But hey, it still looked pretty, so. Oh damn, sis! That looks so nice. So just coming in with a bit of cuticle oil now, just to replenish those cuticles. And I'm just going to leave you a clip in a second. So thank you all very much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next one. Love all you guys. Bye.